like a little bit struggling at first. I was myself being like that at first as well, so I totally really know that and understand it. I love to share it. Is for all of you who's already doing really good with ombre, liquid and powder is something that new techniques that if it's not similar to yours, it's something will be I would like to share with. I would love to see your technique too. I see a lot of different techniques. I love it. I absolutely love it. So I'm doing 70% of the pink and white and use the body of my brush. The weather is getting warmer, so that's why you can see that my powder is less runny. And I don't mix anything with, I have a lot of clients were asking if I mix any acetone with my powder, I mean with my monomer. I didn't mix anything. And just for your information, I'm using this as CND retention liquid. And I'm using a chisel nail art powder. And also the clears I'm using is CND powder. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but as long as you guide that in the center, it's to make the nail looks nice and precise on the side, so it doesn't look spooky. Again, dip into your nude colors, smaller bits. I would lay it right where my white, like a soft white, end or start, or however you want, and I'm gonna blend it down. When it wet, I'm using a body of brush. I will not using the tip of my bristle because it's gonna drag all of my like ombres away, or it might drag too much or might pull off. However you would thinking of. So this at least it give you a blend, really decent blend when it's still wet. So I'm working with the part of the ombre first to make it the ombre the way I want it first. And then I will go into the second beads and get my cuticle part take care. Because if I do both of them at the same time, like take care of the cuticles and ombre, by the time you're done with the cuticles and make the cuticle look nice and no messy and stuff, and your part of ombre is gonna dry and you can't blend it. So then sometimes you like have to take it off and fix it. And it's gonna take a lot of time. I'd rather to take a little bit extra time for my application powder. Then it less time for you to filing them. And as everybody have different techniques, show me yours and share with us. We'd love to see that as well. Can you seeing it better? Instagram, I don't know if it's just too much lighting for me. It looks like a duck though. All right, so you want plain Jane like this, or you want some things it's different? Butterfly again. Just kidding. Like I said, Nancy, can you do something else besides butterflies? But yes, what you would like to see though? Oh, encapsulating what? No. That's cute flowers, but nope. Anything you want to see? Yes, Mercedes, we're going to have the acrylic brushes coming in the future. Thanks so much for saying it, mention it. Hey, Melissa, how are you? Crystals, Whitney, okay, gotcha. Want anything else besides crystal? You want this plain like this and then crystal up, yeah? Is that what you want? Okay, so now if we don't want any encapsulating, I'm gonna go ahead and do cap the clear. So the clears you do, you're gonna cap it between the pink and the white. So then when you find them, you don't take the pink away, you don't take the whites away. You don't have to do a whole nails. Just if in case you want a whole nails, like if for beginners, if you're not sure, you find it too much and you're afraid of you're gonna get too over like handed to file them, I would cap it on the cuticle too. But if you don't want it, then you're just doing it right where the pink and the white is. right there. Okay, we'll let it set. Crystal placement on this. Okay, I'm gonna take this one away. Let me clean my brush first. And then we're gonna move on to the filing them. Dip my brush in